This is Broughton Interchange in Preston, Lancashire. Officially known as M6 Junction 32, it's known simply to millions of people as the Blackpool turn-off. An unassuming junction that millions of people just drive through to get to the fun of Blackpool, but it has been the first of its type for two different reasons over the years. In this video today, we're going to look at what those reasons are, and we'll also look at some older pictures of the junction. This section here was part of the original Preston Bypass, which most people will know was the first motorway in the UK. Back then, the junction wasn't anything like it was here today. In fact, it wasn't even a junction, it was just a simple bend as seen in this aerial photo from the 1950s. Back then, it was two-way traffic on that section. You can see it from the bottom of the picture where the overbridge is, and it's swooping round in the left of the picture and round to the right of the picture there. And that would have terminated around the corner at the A6 roundabout. This is an overview of that. It is now junction 1 of the M55. You've got the northbound carriageway on the right, the southbound carriageway on the left. You can see from this aerial video here of the M55 junction 1, a little bit busier and a little bit more compact these days. Preston Bypass became even more the M6 in 1965 when it was extended towards Lancaster. That is when the rest of the junction was fully built. And in 1974, the M55 was opened towards Blackpool, making the junction even more busier. In 2009, the M6 main carriageway through the junction was widened from 2 lanes to 3 lanes. It used to suffer horrible congestion at times, especially in holiday period, people coming back from the lakes and heading to Blackpool, etc. 2014, more widening work took place on the northbound carriageway, which then allowed 3 full lanes for the M6 to run between junction 31A and 32, and it also widened it to 2 lanes fully for a much longer distance on the M55 exit. Apart from part of it being part of the first motorway in the UK, the other first was it was the first 3-stack interchange. With the M6 southbound to the M55 going over the top on the flyover, and the M55 eastbound to M6 southbound going under the M6. 3-stack interchanges are quite common now on the network, like this one at Simister, but the one at Broughton was the first in the UK. So the next time you're heading to Blackpool or you're heading to the lakes or something, you can bear these little geeky facts in mind. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you did like the video, you can hit the like button. Give us a hype, it'd be really nice. If you can subscribe, that'd be amazing. And this video here is the one that YouTube thinks is going to be the best one for you to watch next. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.